This is my review of the BLON Z300 in-ear monitors. I bought these a little while ago as I needed something to replace my headphones that broke, and my usual go-to are AirPods, wireless AirPods, but I need something that was cabled and wired for when I'm playing guitar, playing bass guitar, something that I can plug into an amp or my effects pedals and stuff that I've got, just that I can isolate, separate myself from the room and just listen to my music. So requirements relatively minimal. I didn't need anything crazy quality, just something that I can, listen to one instrument or, a couple of instruments. But on doing some research into tri-fi headphones, cheap headphones, and just something cheap that I could buy, it actually really surprised me, the quality of these. I've tried listening to them with some music, and even compared to like my AirPods, the sound separation you get with these when listening to music, rock and metal, and the separation you get from all the instruments and the vocals really impressed me. There's meant to be more emphasis on the kind of bass tones that you get with these, and again, for myself, playing bass guitar, like in my non-audiophile brain, I thought, oh, that sounds good, I'll get these. So yeah, they're a bit different. They're quite bold with this gold colour. I think they're meant to be a zinc alloy, so they've got some weight to them, and it's meant to be like gold plated. Whether it's real gold or not, I don't know, and to be honest, I don't care, but I think they look quite nice. Got a nice little kind of dragon print on the front, classic kind of China style. This is the box that it came in. WGZ BLON Opity and Dreams Part 2 Z300. So I think this became a bit of a meme because of their branding and kind of marketing. Well, I guess you'd say marketing, but yeah. Nice presentation though, the way that they came in here. So Belief, Let Music Burn, Opity Part 2, Never Give Up. Nice packaging that it comes in. It feels relatively premium, all things considered, considering how cheap of a pair of headphones they are. You get a couple of bags in here with some spare ear tips. You got white and black. Now they're meant to provide some different things of sound isolation on trebles and bass. I don't know, it's the difference. Again, I wouldn't call myself an audiophile, even though I know the community is quite passionate about all this stuff. After a recommendation, I didn't stick with those headphones actually. I bought these on a recommendation. These are the TRI Clarion silicone ear tips. For the negatives of these headphones and the ear tips, apparently these ear tips were the thing that kind of let it down in some ways, and apparently these were meant to give a little bit better isolation. So I thought I'd give those a go, and I've been very impressed. They never come out. They stay attached to the headphones. Never lost them. So impressed with that. Comes with a user manual. They're headphones. I don't know if you really need a manual on that, but useful to have. And they have a couple of funny things in here I was reading earlier. The earphones are not like vases, and also the soldier will be brave when feeling ashamed. So really useful stuff in there. You also get this kind of nice cloth case, which I do actually use. I keep the headphones in there. So yeah, very impressed with that. On the headphones themselves, the cable is detachable, which is nice because it can be replaced. Very nice there. Those are the ear tips themselves. But yeah, I quite like the gold colour. The cable that came, braided cable, very good quality, to be honest. It comes with this kind of like neck choke, whatever it's called. Nice touches of metal, like really good quality, and this kind of plastic that goes around the ear overlap to just keep it shape. But yeah, very impressed with the quality of the headphones. But yeah, I do use this a lot, surprisingly more than I thought I would. And yeah, I really would recommend looking into these kind of headphones, tri-fi headphones. Like, you get so much value for your money. But yeah, I would look into these. I'll put some links down for some similar products, and obviously BLON do make some good ones. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot.